Hi guys, we received this wrist toilet seat that I think it's perfect for seniors while going to the bathroom to be, well, a different seat, okay, a bit raised. So let's take it out of the box and see what comes inside. That's all. Are all the parts that we need to assemble it, and in this bag we have this little like bag so you can place some things. The toilet paper holder and some secures. Okay, so let's go ahead and start assembling it, and let's see how it looks all assembly. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already assembled and set it up ready in the restroom, which I think it's nice. It has these side parts padded, and also the cushion, it's really comfortable. Okay, you sit at a perfect height, and as I've said, you have a paper holder in this part. So let's test it out. You can have it like this. In this side you have a little bag that you can place some things like some books, some magazines. Okay, so let's test it out. Yes, have it at hand, and I think it's really nice. I think it's perfect for seniors so that they can have the seat a little bit raised, or for anyone that need it. I think it's really nice. It's really comfortable, and as you can see, it's really easy to assemble. Okay, you don't take that much long. You don't need any fancy tool or anything. You can just assemble it by hand when you want to use it, and you can disassemble it if you want to storage it or take it with you anywhere. Okay, which I think it's a really nice thing, and overall I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.